In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add customers inside of Stripe. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Stripe like you usually would and log into your account. Then from here, you need to go over to the left-hand side where it says customers and click on that. Then from here, you will see an overview of already existing customers. But to create a new one, you'll need to click on this icon, plus icon up here called Add Customer. Then from here, it should look something like this. And here you can add the account information, like a name. You can add an email address and a description for the specific customer. Down here, you can also add a billing information where you can click off whether or not you want the same as account email. And if you off-click this, you will need to write in another email. Then from here, you need to add a default information template where you can either add your already existing templates, you can create a new one, or you can go down here to manage all templates and choose an already existing one. Then from here, you need to add in the billing details. Then from here, you need to add in the billing details where you need to choose the country of the customer. Then from here, you can add an address. You can add the postal code and the city of the specific customer. Down here, you can also add the telephone number, and you can choose the plus right here to any country there is in the world. Down here, you can also add a shipping address, and here you can use it as same as billing address, or you can click in and choose your specific name. You can choose a country and a telephone number again. Down here, you can also add time zones if you want to do that. Language. You can add the currency of the specific customer. You can add whether or not the tax status. You can add either taxable, exempt, or reverse charge. And down here you can also add the tax ID, where you can choose of all of the different world's tax IDs and paste it inside here. You can also add another one if you do that, and you can delete it by clicking on this X button over here. Then from here you need to click Add Customer. And as you can see here, Testerson has been created. You can see the mail address, the default payment method over here, and all the other information. You can also go over to the three dots and create an invoice or create subscription over here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!